Today we will study about an electric field due to an electric dipole at a point situated on the perpendicular bisector. So, what is the electric field intensity? What is the electric field intensity at a point at perpendicular bisector of the electric dipole? Suppose that here, suppose that this is a point A. Suppose that it is point A and charge is what? That is minus Q. And suppose that this is the point B and charge is kya? What is plus Q. Suppose that there are 2 points A and B. At point A there is a negative charge minus Q and point B there is a positive charge plus Q. It is the center of the dipole. That is the half length of the dipole. And it is the dipole moment. P is equal to after Q into 12. And it is a point on the perpendicular bisector. It is a point on the perpendicular bisector. So suppose that there is a point P on the perpendicular bisector at distance R. What is the electric field due to minus Q charge? The electric field due to minus Q charge will be towards the minus Q charge. And suppose that it is equal to E2 is the electric field intensity due to minus Q charge. We know that due to negative charge, there is the electric field intensity towards the negative charge. So it is equal to E2. And suppose that there is the electric field intensity and it is equal to E1. E1. It is equal to E1. It is equal to E1 in this direction. Suppose that it is equal to E. It is equal to E. And it is equal to E. Field intensity due to plus Q charge. Suppose that this angle is theta. Suppose that this angle is theta. This angle is theta and this angle is theta. Now this is E1 is the electric field due to plus Q charge. E2 is the electric field due to minus Q charge. We know that due to the positive charge, electric field intensity will be away from the charge. And due to negative charge, electric field intensity will be towards the negative charge. It is theta, it is 90 degree, it will be equal to 90 degree minus theta. It is theta, it is 90 degree and it is equal to 90 degree minus theta. So what will happen? So component of E1 will be this, it is equal to E1 sin theta. It is 90 minus theta, so it will be 90 minus theta. And this will be equal to theta. So component will be E1 cos theta. That is 90 minus theta, so it will be equal to 90 degree minus theta. It is equal to theta. Now this is the component and that is equal to, that is E1 cos theta. It is E2, it is theta, it will be equal to what? Theta. So it is equal to E2 cos theta. So what will happen? In case of perpendicular bisector, if we are taking a point on the perpendicular bisector of the electric dipole, the resultant electric field will be anti-parallel with of the dipole moment. It is a dipole moment from negative charge to positive charge. It is a dipole moment from negative charge to positive charge. Whereas electric field will be anti-parallel. E2, suppose that this distance is R, this is equal to A, this distance will be equal to R square plus L square. This distance will be equal to R square plus L square. So what will happen? Magnitude of charge is equal to each other. Distance is the same. So magnitude of electric field will be equal to each other. Now what is the electric field intensity due to plus Q charge? Electric field intensity due to plus q. We write E1 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by root over r square plus l square the whole square. That is 1 by, we write r cap. What is the magnitude of E1? Magnitude of E1, that is E1. What is E1? That is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and q by r square plus l. Now the electric field intensity vector due to minus q. Electric field intensity due to minus q. What is the electric field intensity due to minus q? We will go electric field intensity due to minus q. Electric field intensity due to minus q. That is E2 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon. Minus q divided by root over r square plus l square, the whole square and r. What is the magnitude of electric? E2 का magnitude, we take the magnitude of E2. That is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus q mod and r square plus l. That is 1 by 4 pi epsilon and q by r square plus l. It is equal to E1. In this way, the magnitude of both fields will be equal to each other. Now the component of E1 at theta and 90 minus theta is E1 cos theta and E1 sin theta. Similarly, component of E2 at 90 minus theta is what? That is E2 sin theta. And at theta, what is the component? That is E2 cos theta. At theta, component is equal to E2 cos theta. At 90 minus theta, it is equal to E2 sin theta. Similar is the case here for electric field E1. Component at 90 minus theta. Component, this angle is 90 degree minus theta. Component at 90 minus theta is equal to E1 sin theta, and at theta it is equal to E1 cos theta. Both components are in the same direction, but they are in opposite direction, so there is no effect of sin theta component. There will be effect only of cos theta component. So what is the resultant magnitude of resultant field at the point P due to electrical dipole? So we write that is components of E1 at theta and 90 degree minus theta are E1 cos theta and E1 sin theta respectively. Similarly, components of E2 at theta and 90 degree minus theta are E2 cos theta and E2 sin theta. A2 cos theta and A2 sin theta. A2 cos theta and A2 sin theta. E1 sin theta, E1 sin theta and E2 sin theta are oppositely directed. Are opposite to each other. Opposite to each other. So there is no role of the sin theta components. There is no role of the sin theta components in the resultant electric field. In the resultant electric field. Cos theta components cos theta components are in the same direction. So the magnitude of the resultant field is E1 cos theta plus E2 cos theta. That is equal to 2E1 cos theta is equal to 2E2 cos theta is equal to 2 into 1 by 4 pi epsilon and Q by R square plus L square into cos theta is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and 2 into Q by R square plus L square cos theta L by root over R square plus R square plus 4 pi epsilon naught 2Q divided by R square plus L square into L by root over R square plus L square. So E can be written as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught or P by R square plus L square power 3 by 2. Since P is equal to Q into R square is very greater than L square. R square plus L square approximately equal to R square. So we write D is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by R square power 3 by 2 barabar 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by R. In vector form, E barabar 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by R cube. Negative sign shows that electric field vector and dipole moment both are oppositely directed. Negative sign shows that electric field vector electric field vector and dipole moment. Moment are oppositely directed. Oppositely directed. Negative sign shows that electric field vector and dipole moment both are oppositely directed.